Hey guys, today I'll be teaching how you can put your preview tab back. It's going to be a short video. So basically there's two ways. The quickest and easiest, you just press Alt and then press 4. See? It will appear right away. Then there is another way that you can do it, the longest way. So you have here on the left corner here on view, press view, then Windows, and then here video preview. Make sure that's it's you click the here, and then here you have. And sometimes when you enable the preview, it will not appear right away here. So if it appears like not in one like steady here in this place, you just have to click Control and then move here, and it will get like there. So that's all, guys. Leave a like and make sure you subscribe.